Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean the inside rim of your cup. So I have like a really bad one here. Usually they're not this bad, and it's been cured for like a long time. So what I do is I take my craft knife or X-Acto knife and scrape out along the top and the inside to get everything, like the big chunks, out of there. Make sure you keep your knife angled towards the inside of the cup so you don't worry about breaking any seal. And once you have scraped out all of the big pieces, you can do two different things. You've got acetone, so make sure you have 100% acetone that I got by the nail polish remover, or you can use lemon essential oil and a magic eraser, which is my preferred method because it smells good and I think it works really well. So I just tap on a little bit on my magic eraser and I'll get in there and wipe out the best that I can. So again, this one was a really bad one, so it took me a little more effort, but all these materials will be linked below. And once you have wiped it out, you're going to wash it really well, dry it, and then you're ready to go. See how nicely that worked? Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this helps. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and connect with me on Instagram.